Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Welcome to my channel, and in today's video I am going to discuss Khechero's three concentric circles. Uh, uh, as we know, in different countries English language is used for different purposes. In some countries it is used as a native language. These are mostly the countries which are permanent colonizers. Nowadays, the countries who are, we can say, technologically and economically strong use English language as a native language. While in some countries, English is used for administrative, official, educational purposes. In some countries it is the medium of instruction also. So in these countries importance is given to it, although in these countries it is not used as a native language, but importance is given to English language. In some countries it is used only for international communication. In such countries importance is not given to it, but they use it as a language. Kechro has given the concept of three concentric circles. Concentric circles will have one central point. I am going to draw that circle. For example, we have this, the main circle, and this, then the last one. So in this we have native speakers. There is some people called Bana, British American, North American people are in the internal, or we can say in the inner circle. This is called the inner circle. I am going to give a detail of this circle, inner circle. Uh, this circle is called, the next circle is called outer circle. Outer circle. And the third one is called, this one is called expanding circle. Expanding. So let's discuss each circle in detail. Number first is inner circle. In the inner circle, those countries are included in which English is used as a native language. These are the colonizers countries. These are also called the powerful countries. They use English as a native language. These countries provide rules and norms to English language. Number second, we have outer circle. In this circle, we have those countries in which English is used as official language, or in which English is used as a medium of instruction in educational setting. These countries give great importance to English language. In such countries, we can say more importance is given to English over the native languages. They study and develop the rules and norms provided by the native countries. In this circle we have all those countries which were colonies of the colonizers for the long time, but now they are free, but still they are colonies. In these we have countries like Pakistan, India, similarly Sri Lanka, Philippines, etc. These are the countries which are still the colonies of the British Empire. And number third, or the last one, is called expanding circle. In this circle, we have all those countries which use English as an international language, but they don't give importance to it. These are the countries which never remained colonies. They use the rules which are developed by the outer circle countries. In this circle, we have countries like China, Russia, uh, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, etc. So this was a okay through the three concentric circles. Hope you will have understood it. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you once again. Allah Hafiz.